The Alabama Health Department has now released new information that indicates there's been an increase in the state's infant mortality rate.
The state saw an 8.6% increase of infant deaths in 2021. WSFA 12 News reporter Monet Stevens has more on efforts to lower the rate.
7.6 per 1,000 babies in Alabama have died in 2021, which is a higher rate than the national average of 5.5.
But we have continued to remain at a fairly low rate from where we have been in the past. It's still higher than we would like to be.
Carolyn Miller with the Alabama Department of Public Health says there are multiple factors that contribute to the high rate of infant loss.
There is poverty, education, lack of education, a lack of access. We have a lot of counties in our state that have no delivering providers and no delivering hospitals.
There are only 20 hospitals that have NICU units in the state, including Baptist Health in Montgomery, which is the only level 3 NICU in the River region. The hospital said in short they offer prenatal education programs and multiple trained physicians and team members that support women throughout their pregnancies. However, that still leaves 2/3 of Alabama deprived of access to proper maternity care. ADPH and March of Dimes, Alabama are working together to fill in those gaps to lower the mortality rate.
We're looking at group prenatal care and how that looks at the health departments, also looking at telehealth and ways that we can utilize that.
While both organizations work to find equitable solutions, McDaniel says pregnant women should continue to advocate for themselves.
Don't feel bad about looking your doctor in the eye and saying, I don't know about that. I'm going to need us to have a further conversation about that.
And take advantage of resources the state offers for prenatal and postpartum care.
Healthy moms mean strong babies.
McDaniel suggests using Medicaid if you're pregnant and do not have access to affordable insurance. She says pregnant women are qualified all the way up until their child turns a year old. Val?
All right, thanks a lot. March of Dimes is working with state and federal lawmakers to pass the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act to accommodate job environments for women who are expecting.